Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today I compare low-light video from the GoPro Hero 6 and Hero 7. As with my stabilization videos, I will be making more than one video, comparing different firmware versions of the Hero 6 with the new Hero 7. The first video will feature the Hero 6 with the firmware version 1.51. It is visible that both cameras have quite blurry images when you try to film in low light using the electronic image stabilization. The GoPro 6 and 7 have small sensors that are not really strong, picking a lot of light. When the amount of light decreases, the cameras reduce the shutter speed in a try to increase the amount of light that comes into the sensor. This longer exposure, though, combined with the use of electronic stabilization, generates blur and makes the footage almost unusable. Comparing both cameras, I notice a slight difference in the stabilization, with advantage for the Hero 7, but in both cases the stabilization is completely spoiled by the amount of blur. The Hero 7 also has better auto white balance in my opinion. GoPro addressed the low-light performance of the Hero 6 various times in its firmware updates, but this never resulted in good quality stabilized footage in poor light. With the firmware 2.01, GoPro did something interesting nevertheless. I will talk about that in my next video.